Ever dreamed of owning a Rolex without the long wait? Well, guess what? It's not just a dream. We're talking about Rolex watches that you can get your hands on without the usual waiting drama. From the cool upgrades of the Air King to the classy vibes of the Yachtmaster, we've got the inside scoop on watches that are both cool and easy to grab. Stay tuned to up your wrist game with these cool and timeless pieces. Rolex, a name synonymous with luxury and precision, has established itself as one of the world's most sought-after watch brands. Renowned for their exceptional craftsmanship, enduring quality, and timeless elegance, Rolex timepieces have captivated watch enthusiasts for generations. However, due to their high demand, many Rolex models come with lengthy waiting lists at authorized dealers. Fortunately, not all Rolex models are subject to lengthy waiting lists. Some models, as we'll explore, are readily available without the need to endure extended wait times. So if you're seeking a Rolex without the wait, consider these readily obtainable options. Rolex Ladies model. Rolex Ladies watches embody the essence of elegance and sophistication. Crafted with the same impeccable craftsmanship and high-quality materials as their men's counterparts, these timepieces exude a timeless appeal that transcends the passage of time. Rolex Ladies watches showcase a captivating array of distinctive designs, catering to diverse preferences. From the classic Oyster Perpetual and Datejust to the sporty Yachtmaster, there's a Rolex timepiece to perfectly complement every individual's style. In contrast to the high demand for Rolex men's watches, Rolex ladies' watches typically enjoy immediate availability. Authorized dealers usually have a diverse selection in stock, and if a specific model is not readily available, they can quickly procure it within a reasonable time frame. Rolex Deep Sea Challenge 50mm titanium. The Rolex Deep Sea Challenge, a remarkable creation of human ingenuity, stands as a testament to the boundless pursuit of innovation and the unwavering determination to push the boundaries of human endeavor. Inspired by the pioneering spirit of James Cameron's groundbreaking dive to the Mariana Trench, the Deep Sea Challenge watch is engineered to withstand the extreme depths that no individual could venture into on their own. Constructed from resilient titanium and featuring a revolutionary helium escape valve, the Deep Sea Challenge seamlessly blends cutting-edge technology with Rolex's unwavering commitment to excellence. Its Oyster Perpetual case, water-resistant to an astonishing 3,900 meters, ensures the watch's unwavering reliability in the most challenging environments. The Deep Sea Challenge's price tag, around $26,000, further contributes to its exclusivity. However, this price reflects the watch's exceptional craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and the brand's heritage of creating timepieces that transcend the mere act of timekeeping. Rolex Datejust 36. While the Datejust 36's compact size of 36mm might not command the same lengthy waiting lists as its larger counterparts, its enduring appeal makes it a highly sought-after timepiece. Its versatility makes it suitable for both formal and casual occasions, seamlessly transitioning from boardroom meetings to weekend getaways. The Datejust 36 boasts a combination of refined elegance and practicality. Its Oyster Perpetual case, crafted from robust materials like stainless steel or precious metals, ensures its water resistance to 100 meters, making it suitable for everyday wear and occasional dips in the pool or lake. The Datejust 36's versatility further extends to its dial options, ranging from classic black and white to vibrant blue and green. Dials can also be adorned with diamonds or other precious stones, adding a touch of luxury and sophistication. The Datejust 36's bracelet choices further enhance its versatility. The Oyster bracelet, with its sleek and sporty design, complements casual attire, while the Jubilee bracelet, with its elegant and refined style, elevates formal occasions. The President bracelet, with its signature 5 links and President clasp, exudes timeless luxury, making it a choice that exudes elegance and sophistication. Rolex Yachtmaster. The Rolex Yachtmaster is a stylish and sporty watch made specifically for sailing and water sports. It's well known for being durable, reliable, and elegant. You can usually find this watch easily in stores, so there's no long waiting time. It was created for people who love a luxurious and sophisticated nautical lifestyle. The Rolex Yachtmaster is the only mechanical chronograph in the world with memory capabilities. This strong and water-resistant watch perfectly combines high performance with a beautiful design. It works great at sea and in professional settings, making it suitable for both sailing and business meetings. Wearing a Rolex Yachtmaster means having a top-notch timepiece, known for its outstanding quality. This classy watch is appealing to both men and women with its stylish and timeless design, making it the perfect companion for days on the deck and evenings in the harbour. Rolex Sea Dweller, Deep Sea, reference 126660. At the heart of the Sea Dweller's brilliance lies its remarkable water resistance of up to 3,900 meters. Achieving such depths requires a meticulous combination of factors, including a robust ring lock system, a helium escape valve, and a sapphire crystal with a double anti-reflective coating. Beyond its exceptional diving capabilities, the Sea Dweller exudes an aura of both elegance and sophistication. Its 44mm diameter, while larger than the traditional Rolex style, strikes a perfect balance between boldness and refinement. The combination of stainless steel, a black dial, and a matching black Cerachrom bezel creates a timeless aesthetic that is both impressive and forward-thinking. For individuals who demand the best possible dive watch, the Sea Dweller is an unparalleled choice. Its durability and reliability have been rigorously tested in the most extreme conditions, making it a trusted companion for professional divers and underwater enthusiasts alike. Rolex Air King, reference 126900. You can easily find this model at authorized dealers. The latest version of the famous Rolex Air King has just been released, keeping its unique Bloodhound-inspired design, but with updates to its case, movement, and dial. The case is still 40mm, but now it includes crown guards for extra protection. The dial keeps its eye-catching design, resembling car dashboard instruments, but now the larger Arabic numerals are filled with chrome light, giving it a fresh look compared to its predecessor. This upgrade adds excitement to the captivating Air King, and you can buy it today at a very competitive price. Rolex Explorer reference 124270. This watch is a classic and versatile choice, known for its timeless design and dependability. It's great for everyday use and outdoor adventures. The latest Rolex Explorer is easy to find and is the newest version of the well-known Mountaineer's tool watch. The case size is back to 36mm, and the Explorer logo has moved from above the 6-hour marker to below the 12-hour marker. This watch uses the latest Rolex technology, including the next-generation perpetual movement and oyster steel. It's currently one of the most wanted Rolex models in the used market, so take the chance to make it yours today. While these models might not be as popular as some other Rolex models like the Submariner or Daytona, they're still high-quality watches with all the features and benefits that Rolex is known for. It's worth noting that, unlike the more popular models, there might still be some waiting time depending on the specific authorized dealer and current demand. However, your chances of getting one of these models without waiting for months or even years are much higher compared to the more popular ones. In the end, do you think of other Rolex watches that should be on this list? Share them in the comments section below. And if you like more content like this, feel free to like and subscribe to Luxury Focus. That's all for this video. See you at the next one.